Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off the camera timer on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on the camera app. Next, to turn off the camera, you need to go to photo and then swipe up on the screen like this. When you swipe up, it will open up a different menu at the bottom. So you want to tap on this timer icon right here on the right hand side and then select off. Okay, so now that it is off, when you start to take a photo, you can take the picture immediately. If the timer is set to 5 or 10 seconds, you can see that every time you take a shot using the shutter button, it will always count down. So that can be annoying if you don't need a timer, you have to wait for a few seconds. So instead, we can swipe up, tap on the timer icon, and then choose off. Now we can take the pictures immediately. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.